Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to use the WhatsApp in one phone. Okay, first thing that you have to do is go to your settings on your phone, and then you can find advanced features. Okay, it's right here, and click advanced features, and you can choose dual messenger over here, and you can click on the WhatsApp right here and turn on the dual messenger. Okay, and then you can click install and wait for a moment. And all right, the copy of WhatsApp has been installed, and you can go to your home screen. Wait second. And all right guys, and now you have two WhatsApp in one phone. Okay, that's all the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching.